Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language of a game using the Epic Games Launcher. So if your game is showing the wrong language or you want to switch to another one, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Once it opens, click on Library from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all the games you have installed. Find the game you want to change the language for, then click on the three dots next to the game title. From the menu that appears, select Options. Now, inside the Options window, look for Additional Languages. You'll see a list of available languages. Simply choose the language you want, for example, French, German, or any other option shown. After selecting your language, make sure to click Apply to save the changes. If the language still doesn't change, don't worry, there's another method you can try. Go back to the Epic Games Launcher and click on your profile icon in the top corner. From there, select Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see your list of installed games, then click on the game you're having trouble with. Here, enable Additional Command Line Arguments by checking the box. In the text field below, type the language command. For example, to set the game to English, type -culture equals EN. The code EN stands for English. If you want German, simply replace it with DE. You can find the correct language codes by searching on Google if you're not sure. Once you've entered the command, close the settings and launch the game. The language should now be updated. And that's it. This is the best way to change your game language on the Epic Games Launcher. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.